Hey everyone, I'm really thrilled to share with you one of our amazing updates that we made just a couple of days ago. We are publishing Boomerang AI Copilot for ChatGPT. Yes, this is the custom GPT that you can use to find answer for about any questions about the platform. That's really easy to do. How we prepared and trained this chatbot for you. First of all, we exported all the product related questions from our intercom support chat for all the time, for more than 4 years. After that, we fed this file into the ChatGPT and asked them to carefully read all the data and find actionable insights and right answers. And right now, you can ask anything about the product related to how to set up this, how to set up that. And moreover, if you are, for example, filming video course about Boomerangme, you can also ask, please give me top 10 or top 20 sales related questions most popular about Boomerangme product. How to sell this stuff to local businesses, how to sell to restaurants, how to sell to barbershops, and so on and so forth. And this chatbot will actually answer you everything you want. For example, you can ask, how do I create a new loyalty card? Okay, cool. Let's see the answer. That's brilliant. Step-by-step guidance without spending the time for reading our knowledge base or watching our videos. You can ask, you can get reply immediately and do everything with the platform. Or for example, can I integrate Boomerang with Stripe, not with Stripe, let's say with Square point of sale system. Requires Zapier. Okay. Okay. Cool. Here is a step-by-step breakdown of what you're gonna do to connect your Square account with Boomerangme so easily. Give me a couple of loyalty ideas for fine dining restaurant. Okay, so let's go. Beautiful. While ChatGPT answering my question, how to sell this product for restaurant owners. Give me 5 hooks ideas. Let's see. And right now you can see 5 different punchlines that you can use to break the ice and start conversation with your potential clients. Beautiful. And now please prepare me top 10 open-ended questions to use them to start the conversation with the potential client. Because I prefer to use open-ended question instead of pitching, from the scratch. Cool. I mean, basically, you can find answer for everything about this platform. Just imagine you can book a call with me and chat with me directly, or you can add Boomerang AI Copilot, already trained and that really knows everything about the platform. Ask the same question, and probably, I guess, in 80% of cases, you will get better responses that I can give to you. That's so beautiful. And thank you so much. Let's try, and please give me your feedback on how it goes. I'm really curious to know your experience with this chatbot. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye.